Rain clears the south and it's a day of sunny spells and scattered showers. The outlook is largely dry. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday.
Not according to... Look, where have you been with that tan?
Oh, well, thanks for asking. I've been to Santorini, Susanna, with my best friends for a belated 40th birthday holiday.
And if any...
It was really cool through eastern parts of the Med. It was about 20 degrees. It should have been about 25. The weather is just stuck at the moment.
Yes.
The whole of the Western Med is hot. Spain and Portugal have been having this extreme heat wave where they've got droughts. And then the other side of Europe is cool and wet and miserable with showers. And we're stuck under the jet stream. We're stuck on the wrong side of things. What I can promise you this week is some drier weather, but temperatures, no great shakes.
OK.
And it is almost hard to believe that we are in the middle of May nearly, and temperatures have been so disappointing. So far this spring, temperatures are below average, rainfall near where it should be, and there's not been much sunshine, way below our average level of sunshine we should normally see. The month so far, temperatures have been around about average, but we have seen, again, very little in the way of sunshine. Good morning to you. Yesterday, in the warmth and sunshine, England had the warmest day of the year so far, with temperatures just over 20 degrees. The rest of the week, though, is staying largely dry, if not no great shakes with the temperatures. High pressure is in charge, and high pressure means the weather fronts stay away. It keeps things largely dry, but the winds from a northwesterly direction, so that should be for the time of year. How do things pan out through the rest of the week? Well, let's take a look at our 7-day outlook, where our weekend is always in view. And we look at across the north of the UK, first of all. We split the country in half. And across Scotland, Northern Ireland and northern areas of England, looking at our temperatures compared to average, they sit a little below, climbing a little above by the end of the week. Percentage chance of rainfall. How likely are to see wet weather across the north of the UK this week? Well, high pressure does its job. It is looking largely fine and dry. So while I can't offer you the warmth that many of us have been hoping for so far this spring, I can offer you some largely dry weather. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days, again starting off with our temperatures. They sit around about average. Maybe just a little bit below, but slowly our temperatures climb as we head through the week. 18 is our average high. We could get it to maybe 20 by the weekend. And percentage chance of rainfall across the south of the UK. How likely we are to see wet weather? Well, again, high pressure does its job. It's looking largely fine and dry, so some decent sunshine on the cards as we head through this week. Morning to you. The weather this week dominated by largely dry conditions. Temperature-wise, no great shakes, sitting around average, but I think because it's been so cool so far this spring, it actually should feel pretty nice. We have got some rain around today, though. It clears across the southeast, and then it's a day of sunny spells and scattered showers. Today is most likely to be the wettest day of the week for many. A little bit. There'll be some rain around first thing across the southeast, then that clears to sunshine and showers, but actually the week ahead doesn't look too bad. Some decent sunshine for many of us. Here's how it looks on the latest satellite and radar image. Rain across the southeast of England will clear within the next hour or two, taking with it also the cloud, and then sunshine returns. Yes and no. There's some sunshine, there'll be some dry weather, but it isn't going to be warm. We've really been struggling so far this spring, haven't we? I can promise you some sunshine later on today once the rain clears, but it's sunshine with showers, and the winds that are coming from the north will make it feel cooler than it did yesterday. Rain in the southeast will soon clear, then sunshine shows its hand, and then it's a day of sunshine and showers for Northern Ireland, Scotland and eastern areas of England, where it's cool 13 to 15. Best of any sunshine in the west with highs of 18 or 19, which is pretty much average for the time of year.